Hello everyone. Learn how to change password in Windows 11. Just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And once you're here in the settings, at the left hand side you will have many options and we need to go to the accounts tab. So once you click on accounts, at the right hand side you will find many options and we need to go to this sign in options. And once you're here you will find facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN, security key, and there will be a password section as well. So you just need to click on password and you need to click on change. If you have the PIN Windows Hello, you can click here and you can also change your PIN from here. So from here you can change the PIN in Windows 11 as well as you can change or reset the password in Windows 11. It's a pretty straightforward process. I hope you have successfully changed your password in Windows 11. Yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.